How to sell on Temu. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up Temu and then scroll down till the very end. And right over here under the section of help, you will be able to find this option of partner with Temu. Simply open it up and wait for it to load. This is where it will take you. Now here you get this particular email for the merchandise partners. You need to get this email and show your interest in partnering with Temu. Just tell them that you are interested in it and you have a business or you are an individual who is looking to sell the products on Temu. After that, they will email you with a seller code and a link. You can sign up for a seller account using that particular link, and this is how you would be able to register with Temu as a partner and sell the products on Temu. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.